I think we're just overwhelmed with all the support that we've got, the kind of attendance, and not just the numbers. I think the quality of the attendance, the quality of the speakers, the quality of the deliberations, and the feedback that we are getting is just been phenomenal. And we're just humbled with the experience, and obviously this is now going to be an annual property for us, and hopefully it only keep getting better from here.
Excellent. So what has been the overall vision for Hope?
So the idea of Hope was basically to get all the stakeholders, the thought leaders, all the leaders, CEOs, eminent personalities, to come onto a common platform and to deliberate, the status of the industry, where we are heading, find out ways and means to further collaborate, to further our interest as an industry, and to get new ideas, new thoughts on where we can take it.
Excellent. So tell us something about the sustainability report which was launched yesterday.
So we've done a sustainability report along with Saint-Gobain, who are our partners for this conference, and Saint-Gobain is involved in many products that they do for the construction industry, which are sustainable in nature. The idea really being is that sustainability is no longer something that you can merely provide lip service to. It is a serious context for business. The millennials of today, who are the most impacted by the environment and the issues around environment, are our future customers in all businesses, and they are going to be very, very mindful of products and services that are sustainable or not. Therefore, we've put something around sustainability as a starting point for the sector. It's a nudge to the sector to start looking at sustainability, as a center focus, as a focus point, rather than something that was perhaps being done, but needs to be brought to center stage.
So you just mentioned that you've been able to bring on one platform the biggest stalwarts of the industry, be it tourism, travel, hospitality, and you said that it's going to get bigger. Any more sort of into the future plans?
So we intend to make Hope even more encompassing of the sector, which basically means that we want this platform to be represented in a more broader manner with hospitality, airlines, travel and tourism, so that all the stakeholders for this sector are together in one platform to deliberate and take a more holistic view on the sector than it being largely hospitality focused. So although hospitality will remain a significant focus for Hope, it is going to become broader based in the future.
Excellent. So I think you've answered almost everything, but if I can ask you, what would be the biggest takeaway which a patron who is attending the conference here and thousands of people are watching us?
I think the biggest takeaway for Hope was just the feeling of camaraderie that we saw, the feeling of sort of victory over COVID, the feeling of how the sector has bounced back, and just the feeling of being able to meet everybody, shake hands, hug each other, and just that whole feeling of having, seen through one of the most severe impacts that we had on our sector. So it was very, very reassuring and very heartwarming to see everybody meet everybody, and just a feeling of joy and celebration.
Thank you so much.